Yo, hello guys, this is Richard Oki with Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to make money on Clickbank if you're a beginner. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can make money on Clickbank if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're a complete beginner. Now, if you are completely new and you want to take some more intensive training completely free, check out the link in the description below where you can access our free affiliate marketing training. Now, let's get back to the video. So if you're a complete beginner, let's try and get into your state of mind. So you probably have a lot of information out there, multiple different systems for you, claiming to help you make money with affiliate marketing, and you're just wondering how can you be successful? What do you need to do? So if I was to wind back a few years ago when I was in your same position and I was starting out with CPA marketing, what would I do? I would just focus on finding super affiliates and just copying what they do. Now, the good thing about affiliate marketing in this industry is that we have the power to leverage very smart software and very smart tools for us to do that. And this includes for Clickbank campaigns. You can find existing Clickbank campaigns that are doing well on different traffic sources, and you can replicate what they're doing. Okay, now don't get me wrong, this does not guarantee your success, but it increases the chances of it, right? You're following exactly what somebody else is doing who should be fairly successful as long as you're spying correctly. Now, I would say that if you're a beginner, this is probably the smartest strategy, because what this does for you is that you're no longer starting from zero. All right, you're now starting from a point where you at least are in the right direction of campaigns that potentially could do well. So you've increased your probability of success significantly. So it's something that you pretty much have to do if you want to shortcut that journey to making some serious money with affiliate marketing and with Clickbank. Now, right here, I'm going to just walk you through some methods that you can do this. All right, so you can manually, let me just write this down. Manually spy on campaigns. All right, now you're probably wondering, okay, how do I manually spy on a campaign? You can manually spy on native campaigns by simply going to big sites and essentially just looking at the sponsored content. So I'm actually going to go to Yahoo right now. Let's pause that. I'm going to pull up Yahoo on my other screen and I'm going to show you some content that you should be able to see. So for this, you need to make sure your ad blocker is off, obviously. Don't forget about that, otherwise you will not see any ads, all right? So I'm going to pull up Yahoo, currently logged into my Yahoo account. All right, so we don't care about none of this. These are real articles, we don't care about that. We're looking for media buyers, all right? We want to spy on some potential campaigns, all right? So already I can see Brits are rushing to get 220k life insurance from £10, blah, blah, blah. Optical Express, blah, blah, blah. These are all media buying campaigns, all right? So if I go there, this person's promoting some form of insurance offer. Now, when it comes to Clickbank specifically, it's going to be very, very time consuming for you to go through different websites, go through all the ads and try and find out if they're actually promoting Clickbank, okay? So manually spying, you can find campaigns, however, it's going to take you a long time, all right? And this is where we come in with the smart tools, the smart technology to actually spy successfully on campaigns. Now, let me talk, so if you manually spy, it takes time. I would say that's probably the biggest downside. Like, it just takes, let me put a lot of time. A lot of time. All right, and time is money, because in that time where you're spending, a week, 2 weeks just manually spying, not really finding much, you could have spent 1 hour using a smart spy tool and got all the top campaigns with data. All right, when you manually spy, that's another thing I'm going to write down. You lack data. You lack data. So you're kind of like looking at these campaigns and then you're assuming, okay, this thing is doing well. However, it may not be doing that well. So manually spying, you know, when you're looking specifically for the Clickbank offers, I wouldn't say that's something you should do. If you're completely like, you know, not focused on Clickbank, then, you know, you could manually spy it and potentially find out some campaigns, but most likely manually spying isn't a good method. Now let's talk about some really smart things that you can do. Now let's have a look here. So one really smart thing that you can do is utilize spy tools. All right, let me write that down properly. I'm going to talk you through some of the spy tools that I use personally. All right, so these are some real ninja spy tools. So for Facebook, the one that I can recommend based on me actually using the tool is AdSpy. And what you do now, this is the interesting part, because AdSpy does have a filter where you can actually select affiliate networks. However, it will only be finding affiliate networks in most cases if people are direct linking to that network. Otherwise, it can't find the URL to then spot that it's associated with a particular affiliate network. All right. So utilizing the affiliate network filter inside of AdSpy is not that useful. Now this is the smart part. What you want to do is you want to actually go onto Clickbank or whatever affiliate offer you're running inside of Clickbank, and you want to actually look for the name of the offer. You want to look for the swipe files for ads that they to ask affiliates to promote, because some offers on Clickbank will actually give affiliates some ad copy to use in their ads. And what you can do is inside of AdSpy or any of these spy tools, you can put in these parts of the ad copy inside the keyword searches inside the spy tool, and then what that will do is that will pull up all of these ads, promote all these affiliate campaigns for that specific offer. All right, so this is very, very, very ninja. All right, but for you to do that, you need to actually go to Clickbank and you need to find out what offers you're looking at running. Once you've got your offers, you then look through the affiliate tools, so the tools that are provided by the offer. And once you have access to that, go into the ads area, look at the type of copy that they are the advertiser is giving to affiliates, and then you can then use the spy tool and use those as search terms in the spy tool, and that's how you find the ads. That's the secret when you're running with Facebook. Okay. Alongside that, I would say another spy tool, and this is if you're looking at running with native. So for native, again, this is from experience. I'm not going to talk about any tools that I don't use or I've never used. And at the same time, if you're a beginner to Clickbank and you're just getting started, you're going to get a head start with these campaigns and with this structure. But I'm just going to be perfectly honest with you, this doesn't guarantee you to be successful, all right? Because this is super easy for you to do, and if it just guaranteed success, then everybody would be multi-millionaires. However, it increases your chance from being in a position where you're guessing on campaigns to now having data-backed decisions and data-backed creatives and ad copy that you can leverage when you're actually launching your first campaign on Clickbank. Now, Adplexity, you can do a very similar thing in terms of you can actually segment by affiliate network, but because it's native ads, it's much easier to find offers that are associated with Clickbank, for example. So I've actually got Adplexity open, so I'm just going to head over to my Adplexity account here. Yep, and I've got the search term for Clickbank, so affiliate network. Have I got Clickbank? Yeah. So 1,200 ads. These are all Clickbank ads, okay? So imagine if I'm a complete beginner, I'm just getting started with CPA marketing. I understand how to media buy to a certain extent, but I just want to know, what flows I want to run. What's the best thing to get? How should I get started? All right. Just head over to a spy tool and start doing your research from there. All right. Spy tools are super useful. Now, when you're using a spy tool, I'd always recommend that you have the days running set to between 7 and 10. What that does is it filters out a lot of the testing campaigns. Most campaigns that are run, on native for 7 or more days typically indicate that there is potential with the campaign, or we hope that it's profitable and we're swiping a profitable campaign. And also put down the receive most traffic as well, because what that does, if you combine the number of days, minimum of like 7 to 10, and you combine that with the receive most traffic, that shows you that the affiliates running those offers and running these campaigns and these flows that we can see right in front of you have started putting some serious cash down on these campaigns. What does that indicate? That something must be going right, otherwise they would be decreasing their budgets, right? So put that in, and then now you can start finding some campaigns that you potentially can swipe. All right, so I guess if I click this right now, so I'm gonna click on one campaign. It's got 256,725 hits. Okay, awesome. And we can see already that it's been run through content.ad. And you can literally just copy and paste this, right? What I would suggest is that if you don't have the full placements, you can always reach out to your account manager, with your native ads account on whatever traffic network, and ask them for whitelists for certain offers or certain niches. They may be able to say, for example, in this particular vertical for this type of offer on Clickbank, these particular placements tend to do well. All right, now if you're completely new to the traffic network, they may not be as lenient in giving you that information. But if it's a traffic network that believes that you're a serious affiliate, which is what you're going to tell them, then most likely they want to keep your business. Therefore, they want to do whatever they can to strengthen that relationship with you. And if that means giving you access to some whitelist data, they will do so, because all they want you to do is spend. All right, they make their money when you spend, and if you don't feel confident in spending because you're not sure where to spend on, then they lose money. Therefore, they have an incentive to ensure that you have those whitelists in place. So as long as you have the gift of the gab, you should be completely fine. Now, this is an example of one campaign. We can see these are the top placements here that this particular affiliate has ran. You can see content.ad, and what I would do is I'd just replicate it. I'd try and swipe some of the placements. I can see the majority of the traffic is 23% is desktop Windows. Sweet. So I'd swipe that. I'd focus on that for my first camp, so desktop Windows as well. And let's have a look. And this person's just direct linking as well. They're just direct linking directly to the offer. They're not even sending the offer to a bridge face, or are they? Let's have a look. They might be. No, it looks like they're direct linking. And if this is your campaign, apologies. It's just part of the business. It's just part of the business. All right, let's have a look. So this is the actual offer page. It's a VSL. And the reason why I knew this was the offer page is I could see it. Obviously, you see that Clickbank thing, but wherever you see that hop, so these hop codes, so the hop links, that's Clickbank specific. So I can see that this is like a easy power. So this is like a solar energy type of offer. And solar energy is quite good, like very good. And you can run these offers on Facebook as well without getting into much trouble, because it's not a dodgy offer in any way. But obviously, if you run offers in certain ways that are more aggressive and more black hat style of running, then you will still get banned. Not because of the offer, but because of the way you're running your adverts, okay? But yeah, this is an offer that you could definitely run on Facebook, but we have all the data for it to run it on native, so it's best to leverage that data rather than switching between, okay? So what I would then do is I would actually pull up my Clickbank account. So let me just open up Clickbank. We'll open another screen. Yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna search solar to look for these solar energy offers. And I'm just going to go through all of these and essentially just try and find the offer, right? That's what I'm trying to do. It's not this one. Nope. Exit. Is this a solar? I'm pretty sure this is a solar offer. Let me go back to the. Yeah, solar panels. Okay. So I might search for solar panels to be more specific. Okay, I think this might be it. Backyard revolution. Is this it? No. Yeah, so this can take a minute or two for you to actually find the right offer. But I believe there was another link where I could find it right inside of here. If I go here. If I go to the offer page. Okay, so I've got the URL for the offer. I might just put that in. So easy power plan. That was pretty obvious. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. So easy power plan. There it is straight away. Okay. Anyway, so it can be that easy to find the offers. All right. So already I found the offer. So I'll just click promote. I'll get my hop link, and I'll just essentially swipe this flow. All right. Now, obviously, this sounds much easier than it is because it, you know, it sounds like that. In practicality, you need to put all these elements together. But when you use a spy tool, I'll show you how easy things can be. I could literally just scroll down here, download that entire landing page. I know that the campaign's being run on content.ad. I know it's a Clickbank offer. I found the offer already. I know which placements are the affiliate is running more on. And I can do more research, of course. I can see like the dates that the affiliates running the campaigns. I can see if they've slowed down. So if I see that the trend line for their campaigns is going downwards, what I will then do is I'll realize that, okay, if this affiliate is no longer running this campaign, am I jumping onto the party late? Like, I don't want to be part of the, I don't want to be, you know, joining this offer when it's no longer being run because the audience has been burnt out or something like that. So you want to look through all the data and make sure you have a good understanding. And essentially, you just, you know, you just swipe the flow. Like, you just go to the traffic exchange, the traffic network. So I'll put content.ad. So this is where this affiliate is running their campaigns. Then I'll just go ahead here and just press get started and create an account, put a deposit down, and I'll start buying traffic. All right, it's that simple. It is that simple. A lot of people overcomplicate this whole process with affiliate marketing, but it doesn't need to be difficult. All right, you just focus on what you need to do. It's not that difficult. Now, if you are, you know, maybe confused about the whole process of affiliate marketing, or you just want to take things to the next level, make sure you check out the link in the description below. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and show you some real case studies regarding, you know, successful campaigns and so forth. So check out the link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one.